This is our second campsite that Kim picked out, called Sunset Bay. And it is pretty spectacular. I'm kind of really impressed. We were going to do a video last night, but I couldn't find the selfie stick and my batteries for this camera here. But God, this place is just gorgeous. I thought last night maybe with our neighbors and everything, it was going to be kind of loud and raucous, but Michigan, usually the campsites quiet down pretty good at 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock or so. It's not too crazy. Came down, found a good half dozen nice little agates down here. Not too hard to find if you're really looking. And we did the sunset last night, and I actually saw the green flash. And Kim was sitting right next to me, and she goes, "I didn't see it." So I don't know. That's the first time in my life I've ever seen the green flash. Just right when the sun disappeared over the lake, they just boop, little flash of green, and it was pretty neat. I didn't come down here just to drink my coffee and look at the lake. I was also looking for agates. And they're on the beach here. There's lots of them. And I managed to find one. I'll show it to you guys. I wish I would have showed you how I find them. But this little guy. Okay, we found an agate here. I'm going to zoom in and see if you can see it.
Several days later.
So, this is what Lake Superior can look like. This isn't too bad right now. I've seen it worse actually, but this is like a couple days ago. It was just like flat calm. Now we got some pretty good rollers coming in. You know, a couple footers. A lot different than it was. Now it's really rough. I looked at the marine forecast. It's supposed to be like up to 10-foot waves offshore within 5 nautical miles of this place. That's pretty good for August, I think. We're gonna go down to the beach one last time to look for rocks. And this is the entrance to the beach, because they got campsites all on the edge. It's kind of a little trail right here. Kind of see it like that.